Hi, I'm Gordon Young and I'm part of the team here at Sydney Hypnotherapists. Are you one of the many thousands of people who wants to quit smoking? Do you want to take charge of your life and not be a slave to this addiction any further? If you believe you're addicted to nicotine, then I'm going to tell you there's no such thing. You might have a dependence because you believe that the cigarette does something for you that you can't do for yourself. Whether it's to relax you or distract you from boredom or from discomfort, whatever it is, let's find out what it is and give you another way of addressing that. Because you're not addicted to the nicotine. What you're addicted to is the feeling you get, or at least you think you get, from the nicotine. If you don't have another way of calming yourself down, the nicotine seems like an option, but it's killing you. Almost half the people who smoke will end up dying of a smoke-related disease. And that happened to my father, which is the reason why I'm here in the first place. It sent me down this line. He used to say to me that he had a strong constitution and smoking wouldn't affect him. And it seemed like it was true. He never was sick a day of his life, right until the moment where he had to tell us that he had lung cancer. And that it was too late. He couldn't undo any of it. So I don't want another person to go through that or another family to go through that. So if you're smoking, if you've got kids, then you need to take an action and you need to take it now. You want to see them grow up, you want to be able to give your daughter away or see your son do what he's going to do in life, then why take the chance? Smoking is not worth it. It's expensive, it's damaging your health, and it's getting in your way. If this is true for you, then make a booking online right now, or if you want to, call the office during normal business hours and we'll take care of it for you. It doesn't have to be the way it is. In only a few sessions, we can knock this out together. I look forward to seeing you.